Oh, I need some. Give me a second. Give me a second. I need to get some kitchen roll. We're
Ah,
in,
the
aren't
kitchen
we?
roll technique. Jesus, how much do you need?
It's in case it leaks. That's all. The way I do it. So I fold it up quite a bit.
Are you making a pillow? You'll sleep on that, bro.
Sleep on it, dude. Yeah.
Welcome to Cooking Time with Gordon, real Gordon Ramsay. This is how it works. We can
This is
see,
not how it works.
tell like the quality's not great, but can you see those wedges of mushroom here? They were slices. It went well for about 2 mushrooms, and now you've just got.
Where's the shit one? Here it was. This is the
Look
shit
at
one.
that! What is that?
And there's like other ones that are like this. Like,
Oh,
yeah,
what
it's
is
not
that? I actually can't believe it. What is it that we're making today, Gordon? What did you say? It's steak.
So we're steaks, yeah. This one was a filet steak actually, so it's quite tender. Quite a nice cut actually, and it was 2 in 1. So I got 2 filets for the price of £8 and 3 pence, which I think is pretty good considering restaurants they pay like 32 quid for that shit. So
The restaurants don't get you to cook them.
well,
Restaurants have mushrooms that are like all the same size.
literally, dude. Oh,
Gordon
it's like a
Ramsay would be
cheap
proud
burger.
though. Gordon Ramsay definitely goes to the Whoopsie Isle buying his filet steak.
You know it. Right, we're going into the first
You
bit.
can
Let's
see
go.
he's using the blue flame today. Oh. And there's no sizzle whatsoever.
There is sizzle. What are you on about? You just can't hear it, dude.
Oh, the audio was a bit lagged.
Is that big enough for you? Put my ear down to it. Cool.
What is that?
So I don't have any garlic at the moment, so I'm having to use a garlic paste instead of actual garlic, which I know it's not quite the same as garlic, but and neither is the thyme really, because it's like a dried thyme as opposed to a fresh thyme. I need to like breathe or something, man.
All you've done is
Breathe.
cut mushrooms and put steak in a pan and you're like
I know,
freaking out.
I'm spinning around, man. I'm spinning. It's a lot of mushroom actually. Holy shit! I just realised. Oh well. Right, I think I'm gonna give it a turn. Okay, maybe that was a bit too long. Oh well.
Jesus, that looks dark.
I'd say.
What are
My
we
bad.
aiming for here? Like,
I like to go for a medium rare. So that was kind of a mistake there.
I was concerned about when you're gonna be cooking them mushrooms, because they're gonna need like an hour or so.
An hour? What are you on about?
The thickness
So
on them take a while.
Well, I mean, no, it'll be alright. It'll be alright. The way I do it is, I tend to do the steaks first, and then once the steaks are done, take them out, and then do the whatchamacallit, then do the mushrooms because they soak up all the lovely, glorious stuff that I'm throwing in at the moment. So I'm putting in butter, I'm putting in thyme, and I'm putting in some garlic paste as well. Okay, that's enough. Mix that shit around with a ladle because I haven't got anything else to use that's actually useful. Mate, cooking 101, let's go.
This is
Yeah,
like
this
this is
time
just
has gone
cooking
horrible.
1. This is not cooking 101. This is cooking 1.
Cooking 1, let's go.
A man's using a ladle in a frying pan.
No, hear me out, alright? So it's all mixing together. I've got the garlic, got the thyme, got the butter.
Can we get an overhead view? Can we have a little cheeky look at this?
So this is what it looks like. Oh shit. I can't reverse this, so I have to do it like this. How's that? There we go.
Ah, you know what? You know what? Don't look half bad, you know?
Don't look half bad for the time being. And then, what we do... Oh shit, he's put the timer on. Put the timer on, and then start dipping all that butter and baste that shit, dude. Let's go.
I mean, you're looking a bit crunchy in that top left edge, but...
I mean, yeah, but, you know... I've been, you know, trying it out. You know, I did the whole Gordon Ramsay on YouTube and shit like this, and he does it in a similar way. I'm sure he probably like.
Are you saying Gordon Ramsay stole your technique?
Oh, you know, yeah, absolutely. I mean, obviously, all the subscribers just come to our channel, BrainAFK, and learn how to cook. It's the proper way of doing it. Yeah, this looks a bit black.
If they
sure.
right, because I know their steaks, I'm sort of slowly going off it, but they look like really good beef burgers. Not gonna lie.
Pretty good beef burgers, yeah.
Yeah, man. It's just a shame that they're a steak.
Right, this shit can come off the. I need the plate out. Cool. And now, this one, the mushrooms go in. I actually just fucking soak up everything. Ow, fuck, that hurts. My bad. And then hope for the best, really. Maybe turn it up a notch.
Turn it up a notch. It's currently turned off.
Did I turn it off when I put the steak out? Did I take the steak out?
Yeah, I was like, I think you turned it off. And I'm like, this man's forgotten about something.
I literally did. I put that down to I don't know.
Using a different pan.
Yeah, that's a good excuse. Using a different pan.
Pan's too big. You couldn't see the flame.
Just season this a little bit more. Man's all about that seasoning. Bit of salt and pepper, classy.
I see that pot noodle.
There it is. There it is. The next episode. What I use is seasonal from Sainsbury's and salt and pepper. And the seasonal has, what does it have in it? Oh, just a bunch of shit, dude. And it just makes it taste so much better, in my opinion.
Just a bunch of shit.
Just a bunch of shit, man. Technical term.
Going to a restaurant. What spice do you want? Just a bunch of shit, dude.
Yeah, the steaks at the moment.
For me, they're a bit well done, but
yeah, I know. But we'll see when we cut into it, right?
Yeah. Well, I'll give it benefit of the doubt. You know, I think you know what you're doing.
Oh shit! Oops, I dropped you.
Thanks, man. Just throw me in with the mushrooms.
Right, go to the mushrooms. Let's go. There we go. I just tend to ignore this bit really, whilst I sort of wash up, kind of.
I'll keep an eye on your mushrooms, mate.
Oh, cheers, man. This is the sort of sous chef I need in my kitchen. You've probably got more culinary experience than I do. All right. Go for another flip. We'll get this angle. I hope I don't drop any. It has happened in the past. Cool.
Can't wait for Pancake Day edition. If this video gets a whole 10 likes, we'll do Pancake edition.
10 likes for Pancake edition. Unbelievable. Thing is, ideally, I'd like to use a sieve. I've never used a sieve before, but I've always thought in my head, if I use a sieve, I'd be able to just drain off all the excess fat and stuff like this from the mushrooms because they soak up so much.
Do you not have?
But regardless, they're fucking.
Do you not have a like one of those spoons with holes in it?
I mean, yeah, but
I feel like with tongs it's going to take forever.
Tongs is not good enough.
It's going to take so long.
I mean, I don't want extra washing up, man. Just Right. This is the finished product. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Like that.
I'm not gonna lie, yeah, they are burnt, but the mushrooms look decent.
Okay. Oh,
I forgot.
Okay.
I forgot.
It is looking a bit well done, to be fair. It's looking a bit well done.
Yeah, that is quite
See that all right?
We're getting a taste.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it does taste fucking good though. What about this steak? I probably shouldn't cut them all out because all the juice can run out. But yeah, that's definitely well done. Bollocks. But let's give the mushroom a go as well. Mushrooms are quite nice. Things they've got the same. They've still got the same sort of taste as the steak.
Yeah, you cooked them in the same pan.
Same pan.
So you got steak, mushrooms, and steak.
But yeah, it's quite nice.
Well,
you know it.
Now everyone knows how to make well done steak and steak mushrooms. Check in next time. Our main chef, Gordon, will show you how to make a pot noodle.
Yeah.
We'll let you eat in peace, mate.
Thanks, mate. Hope you guys learned something. If not, then fuck you.
Fair.